Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Egg Hakka Noodles are one of the most popular Indo-Chinese dishes, loved for their smoky flavor, perfectly seasoned noodles, colorful crunchy vegetables, and soft scrambled eggs. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Egg Hakka Noodles. In this recipe, you'll learn how to recreate restaurant-style Egg Hakka Noodles at home. We'll show you how to cook the noodles perfectly so they stay firm and non-sticky. Prepare a flavor-packed homemade sauce and stir-fry everything over high heat to create delicious restaurant-style noodles with the perfect balance of flavor and texture. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious Egg Hakka Noodles. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. We have taken 200 grams of egg noodles. We have used one medium-sized carrot. Cut the carrot into thin slices the way I have shown. Then get some together and slice them into thin sticks. Our carrot is ready. Take a small cabbage, use only half for this recipe. Cut the core or the hard part of the cabbage and discard it. Cut the cabbage into two halves. Then take one half and start cutting it into thin slices the way I have shown. After slicing, we got around 1.5 cups of sliced cabbage. Our cabbage is ready. We have taken 6 medium-sized French beans. Slice the French beans into small pieces the way I have shown. French beans are ready. 1 medium-sized capsicum. Cut the capsicum into two halves. Remove all the seeds and the white parts from both the halves of the capsicum. Then take one half and start cutting it into thin slices like the way I have shown. Capsicum is ready. We have taken 3 spring onions. Separate the white part of the spring onion from the green. Cut and discard the edge of the white part of the spring onion. Then slice the white part of the spring onions the way I have shown. Also cut the green part of the spring onions into medium-sized pieces. Keep aside a small portion of the green part of the spring onions to cut it fine. This will be used for garnishing. Spring onions are ready. 1 medium-sized onion. Cut the onion into two halves. Cut and discard the hard part of the onion. Then cut one half and start slicing it into thin slices like the way I have done. Open up the slices of the onion. Onion is ready. 2 medium-sized green chilies. Cut and discard both the ends of the green chilies. Slice the green chili into small pieces the way I have done. Green chilies are ready. 1/2 inch piece of ginger. Cut it very fine. 12 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut them very fine. Ingredients to prepare the eggs. We have taken 3 eggs and put them in a bowl. Add 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Whisk the eggs nicely. Egg mixture is ready. Ingredients for the sauce. In a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Add 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper powder or black pepper powder. Add 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning or aromat powder or 1 chicken stock cube. Add 1/2 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder. Add 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of hot water. Mix everything nicely. Sauce is ready. Step 2. Preparing the noodles. Place a pan with around 2.5 liters of water for boiling on medium heat. Once the water is boiling hot, add the noodles. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Stir it nicely. Check the time to cook the noodles on your noodle packet. Be cooked for around 6 to 8 minutes until it is 80% cooked. Check if the noodles are cooked but not overcooked. Noodles should be firm, elastic and not break easily and should have no white spot in the center. Once done, strain out the water from the noodles. Rinse them with cold water to avoid it from cooking further. Gently spread the cooked noodles in a strainer to cool down faster. Drizzle around 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and apply it nicely to the noodles. This will prevent it from sticking to each other. Cooked noodles are ready. Step 3. Preparing the Egg Hakka Noodles. Place a wok or a kadai on medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Swirl the pan so that the oil spreads all over the pan. Once the oil is hot, add the egg mixture. Stir them nicely. Stir continuously to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Mix them nicely. Once the eggs are fried, cut them into small pieces. Basically, we are making scrambled eggs. Once done, remove the egg pieces and keep them aside. Scrambled eggs are ready. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in the same pan on medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic pieces. Stir-fry them for half a minute. Then add the ginger pieces and stir. Then add the green chilies. Also add the spring onion whites. Stir continuously to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Now add the onion slices. Stir everything nicely. Also add the carrots. Add the French beans. Stir fry for around 3 to 4 minutes. Ensure the vegetables do not burn. If needed, you can add a little oil to avoid burning or sticking to the pan. After around 3 to 4 minutes, add the cabbage. Stir fry it nicely. Also add the capsicum. Stir fry for around 3 minutes. Don't overcook the vegetables as they turn soft. They need to have a slight crunch. After around 3 minutes, add the spring onion greens and keep the finely cut spring onion greens for garnishing later. Add the scrambled eggs. Stir everything properly. Add a little sauce so that the vegetables and the eggs get some flavor. Stir everything nicely. Now add the cooked noodles. Also add all the remaining sauce. Stir fry for around 3 to 4 minutes. Ensure everything is mixed properly. Check for taste and add soya sauce or salt if required. If you don't have a pasta or spaghetti spoon, you can use 2 forks to mix the vegetables and noodles together. Once done, put the heat off. Enjoy the Egg Hakka noodles on its own, or you can have it with gobi manchurian or hot garlic chicken, dragon chicken or chili chicken. These recipes are also on our channel. Garnish with finely cut spring onion greens. Delicious Egg Hakka noodles are ready. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.